The year the sun disappeared, 536 AD. Imagine waking up one morning, and the sun is there, but it gives no light. No warmth, no brightness, just a pale, cold shadow hanging in the sky. This is not a movie, this actually happened. Historians today call it the worst year to be alive. Introduction: the year was 536 AD. Across Europe, Asia, and parts of Africa, something terrifying happened to the sky itself. The sun stopped shining normally. Days looked like twilight. Summers felt like winter. Crops refused to grow. People began to starve. No one understood why. They thought it was the end of the world. The dark sun. Ancient writers recorded something strange. A Roman historian named Procopius wrote, "The sun gave forth its light without brightness, like the moon." For 18 months the sun stayed dim. In China, records say, snow fell in summer crops, failed, famine spread. In Europe, the sky stayed gray. Temperatures dropped suddenly. Harvests failed completely. People had never seen anything like it. A world turned cold, the earth suddenly became colder. Modern scientists estimate temperatures dropped by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius. That was enough to destroy farming systems. Bread disappeared. Food prices exploded. Entire villages vanished. In some regions, up to 1/3 of the population died. And this was only the beginning. Fear, religion, and panic. People didn't have science, so they turned to gods, omens, prophecy. Many believed God was angry. Judgment Day had arrived. Demons had darkened the sun. Churches filled up. Sacrifices increased. Some kings were blamed. Some priests claimed the world would soon end. Society became unstable. The real cause of it was discovered 1,500 years later. For centuries, no one knew the truth. Then modern science uncovered something shocking. The cause was a massive volcanic eruption. Possibly in Iceland, or multiple volcanoes at once. Ash and sulfur exploded into the atmosphere. The particles spread around the Earth, forming a giant sun-blocking cloud. This blocked sunlight globally. Ice core samples from Greenland and Antarctica confirm it. The sky literally turned against humanity. The Great Famine. Without sunlight, crops failed. Animals died. Food vanished. Bread became a luxury. Some people survived on tree bark roots, anything edible. In Ireland, ancient records describe years of hunger. In Scandinavia, entire settlements were abandoned. People migrated or died. This period reshaped Europe forever. Disease follows. Darkness. Famine weakened bodies. Then came disease. Just a few years later, in 541 AD, the plague of Justinian appeared. It killed tens of millions. Many historians believe the dark sun weakened humanity, making the plague deadlier. The world was already broken. Empires collapse. This single event changed history. The Byzantine Empire weakened trade routes, collapsed. Cities shrank, power shifted. Some historians say 536 AD helped end the ancient world and create the Middle Ages. Darkness literally created a new era. This wasn't just history, it's a warning. One natural event changed climate, collapsed economies, killed millions, rewrote history, and humans could do nothing to stop it. Even today, scientists say, a similar eruption could happen again. People didn't know why it was happening. No internet, no news, no explanation, just fear. Imagine waking up every day, wondering if the sun would ever return. The sun returns. Slowly, after almost 2 years, the sky began to clear. Sunlight returned, but the world was never the same. Civilizations had changed. Populations had fallen. History had turned a page, all because the sun disappeared. The year 536 AD reminds us of something powerful. No empire is permanent. No technology is invincible. Nature always has the final say. If you enjoyed this story of history's darkest year, subscribe for more mysterious and mind-blowing stories. Because the past still has secrets, and some of them are terrifying.